Do you feel like it's so hard to learn vocabulary? Don't worry, let's go over some strategies to learn vocabulary. When you hear or see a new word that you want to remember, do this. Write the word on a small card. For example, the word hope. In the back of the card, write the definition of the word, like this. You can also put the word in a sentence to add context. Then, keep adding words until you have 15 to 20 words and start studying them. Go through the pack of cards whenever you have free time. When you finish studying a pack, shuffle the cards before studying them again. You can also go through the pack by first looking at the meaning and trying to remember the word in the back. Can you remember the word? Yes, hope. Have a stack of cards for short-term and long-term memory. When you can remember a word very well, move it to your long-term memory cards. Many people like to have two cards that are very similar in the same set of cards. No, do not do that. That only makes learning harder. You can take your cards and study them while traveling, or when you're eating, or whenever you have some free time. Quick summary. Create your own vocabulary cards. Keep adding words until you have a stack of 15 to 20 words. Study them many times and shuffle them often. Try studying them word to meaning and meaning to word. Have a stack for long-term memory words. Do not have two similar words in the same stack of cards. Study them during your free time. And keep creating new packs to study. Now you are ready to create new vocabulary cards and start studying them. Do not give up. There is always a better way to study. Try new things and find your favorite strategy. Remember that learning a language takes hard work and dedication, but it will change your life forever.